Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to demonstrate the payment registration process on Elite Policy Insurance Suite. To start, I need to get a policy that has not been paid. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'll open the General Takaful Insurance Module and check this policy. Yeah, this policy has not been paid yet. I'll copy the policy number. Then, to register payment for this policy that I just copied this policy number, I will open the accounting module. I will open the customers menu. I will open the debit note sub menu. In this view, I'm able to see all the debit notes that was generated for all the policies in the system. For this policy that I want to pay, I want to get the exact debit notes. So I'll go ahead and search by policy number and open the search results. Now, I'm able to access this form view, and to register payment for this policy, I will simply click on the register payment button. This will open a wizard from which I will be able to input the payment details for this policy. I will input a bank narration, being full and final payment. For policy number. Okay. I will select the accurate journal. I think if you want to register this payment to a particular journal, you select the journal here. I will leave it at general. So on this field, gross net field, I will select if I want to pay gross or net. What this means is this policy, the premium amount or contribution amount is 5 million naira. So if this was a direct business and there was no commission on it, and we received the full 5 million naira as payment, I'll go ahead and mark this as gross and then register payment, and that is it. But if this was an agent or a broker business and they probably have deducted their commission before giving us, the insurance company, the premium, that will mean that we did not receive 5 million. So you can't go ahead and register this as gross because that would be an issue. So how do you handle such case? First of all, let me duplicate this tab. I want to open the general insurance model and search for this policy, and I want to see how much the commission amount is. This will enable me to clearly explain what's going to happen. So the commission amount is 1 million naira. Okay, so let's say the agent have deducted their 1 million naira commission, and what they paid us now is 4 million. So what you will do is to come here, edit the amount field to 4 million, and you select net. If you scroll down, you'll see that the system automatically knocked off the commission. It already knows that the 1 million payment difference has gone to commission. So it's gone to commission right to write off the commission. So now I can go ahead and create this payment. If I create this payment, that means the system will automatically mark the commission slip for this agent as paid. So if we do a commission requisition, this commission will not reflect there because it has already been paid during the process of policy payment registration, right? If there are other deductions, maybe there was VAT or withholding tax, and the amount did not, complete up to 4 million, let's say 3.5 million, maybe after withholding tax and stuff. Let me see, 3.5 million. So that means there is still an extra 500,000 that is unaccounted for. So 1 million has gone for commission write-off. So I will click on add the line in this case. Let's say this was for withholding tax of VAT. I will select the VAT account and impute a label for it, VAT payment. Right. So you see that the system automatically imputes the remaining balance here. This will make this payment complete. We've paid for commission, we've paid for VAT, the remaining is our premium. I can go ahead and create payment. So, but if VAT was not deducted, the only deduction was commission, you can just, create payment after, selecting net, and the line for commission is automatically, populated. But let's say it was a direct business, you don't need to go through all these processes. You just select gross here and register payment because that's you collected the full amount. So let's complete this registration. So we collected 4 million. The pay difference is 1 million, which was used to write off the commission. So I'll go ahead and create payment. So this will mean that we have paid commission due on that policy. Right. Since I've created this, registered this payment, I can go ahead and click on send and print. This will open a wizard where I am able as an accountant to forward this paid debit note to either the insured or the agent or broker that's linked to this business, this policy. So I can go ahead and click on send and print. This will send the email, or I can just click on the PDF file. This will download the invoice. You see the debit note. You see that it's paid. So once that is done, you can just go ahead and notify the underwriter on the interface. They will be able to print out payment receipt for this policy. But if you as an accountant needs to print out this payment receipt, you can go ahead and open the customers menu. You find the payment sub menu, and this first payment here, yeah, this is it. We just created a minute ago. So you can go ahead and print the payment receipt. You see the payment receipt. Right. Okay. So that is it for payment registration on Elite Policy Insurance Suite.